Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I got a package and we are going to take a look and see what I got. So if you want to find out, keep on watching. So I took all the packages. I just did that off camera. I took them all out of the boxes because I didn't want to do that on camera because I felt like that would have taken forever. I'm not going to do swatches, but let me know down below if you guys are very interested in swatches when I do these get ready with me, when I buy like a whole collection or something. I just feel like everyone does swatches. You've probably seen it on Instagram. You've probably seen another YouTube video. But maybe you haven't seen swatches on my skin tone, so let me know if that's something you're interested in. I just don't want to do something if it's not relative. So for the first Super Shock Shadow, this one is called Basic Instinct. This is very pretty. This reminds like a bronzy gold. This is something I'm thinking I might wear today. This whole collection seems very brown girl friendly, which is perfect for February because you know it's Black History Month. This next one is called Run Wild. I originally was not going to get this one, but then I saw it swatched and I was like, I do love it. So I guess swatches do help, but I don't know. I get all my swatches on Instagram and not really off of YouTube. Next one is Free Reign. This one's like a really nice chocolate color. And I'm moving it around so you guys can see like the shifts if there's any in them. But and then of course I picked up the two Lippies. I love the Lippie Stix formulas. They're one of my favorite from Colourpop. So this one is Sassy. And like this nice reddish brown color. And this one is Behave. And this that's like a nice darker, richer color that I like. I don't know. I like dark lipsticks. I'm not really a light kind of lipstick kind of gal. And then finally we have the Wild Child palette. This is a brown girl's palette. Man, I'm so excited to it's been a while since I've been excited to use a palette, and I'm really excited to use these palettes. And I really love Colourpop's 9-pan palettes because they are just small enough that you can take them on travel. And this is a really hardy case, like compared to like my Grandeur case, which is also pretty hardy in its own way, but it's like cardboard. So this is like an actual case, kind of like the, honestly, kind of like that other ones. I don't know why they made the Grandeur cardboard, but anyways, they're great for travel, and this is such a great everyday palette. So those are all the products I picked up from the collection, and then of course I picked up false lashes, but these aren't part of the collection, but these are called Dame. And honestly, I literally only picked them up because let's just get into it. I'm gonna zoom you in. Okay, so now that you're zoomed in, we are going to be doing the eyes. I don't know what kind of look I want to go for. I don't know if I want to keep it natural. I know for a fact that I really want to get into this shade here, Fierce. So I'm going to use that shade. I just don't know where to start. So I'm actually going to go in with Ground Crew, which is that nice, I got it everywhere. That nice, almost brick brown. Here. This as a transition shade. I can already say with certainty that I really like Ground Crew shade. It's just such a nice little transition shade. Go in with Hard to Get. And I'm going to take that shade and I'm going to really work that lower into my crease. You know, I'm over here using this mirror and I could totally be using the palette's mirror. Okay, ready? If I have my mic on, you could hear this, but I'm already in love I'm already in love, and I've only used 2 shades, but these 2 shades work so amazing on my skin and complement, and like they're blending in amazingly. Like, what else do I need? Okay, going into Spotted, hashtag Spotted. I'm gonna use that to kind of honestly set a base. That shade's so pretty. To set a base for that fierce color. I just don't want it to go on top of my skin tone, so I'm using Spotted to kind of just create like a tone underneath. This is so brown girl friendly. I'm in love. It's so pigmented too. My goodness. Like, and it just went on amazing. Granted, I don't know if it's also my primer helping, but either way, all together, it's all working out beautifully for the look I want. I'm gonna go in with Fierce. I'm really excited to try this shade. Don't Let Me Down, Fierce. Ooh, Fierce is pigmented. Okay, here we go. Oh, it did it. It didn't let me down. It didn't let me down though. It is beautiful. Oh my goodness. Literally everything I wanted it to be and more. That is just like, I'm kind of glad I did do that Spotted underneath it though, because I can tell like it's shimmery and almost like glittery, but it doesn't have like a base color with it. Like, you know how some shimmers, they have that underlining color. This one just seems to kind of be almost more of a topper, in my opinion. So I'm going to take the blending brush and I'm just going to soften up that blend into those other colors. But other than that, this is gorgeous. So I don't want to use an eyeliner, so I'm actually going to go into the darkest shade in the palette. And I'm just going to line my eyes like that. And this shade is called Feisty. Blending it about a third way in and then just kind of leaking it out, but not too much. Just giving it some depth on the end here. Okay, finished the rest of my face. I have bronzer on. I have blush. I have blush. I have the M Cosmetics Heaven's Glow blush. Everything's done. I just need to put on a lippie. And I want to put on Oh Behave because it's the darker of the 2, I believe. Yeah. This formula is a little different. I'll have to read on the website whether, but this is nice. Lippie Stix. Okay. But no, this lip is so nice. It just has a different finish than some of the other Lippie Stix that I've used. Some of the other Lippie Stix that I have they do all have different finishes, but this one seems more like a satin finish. It's not matte, but it's not exactly a gloss. I have had some matte ones that I like, but I like their soft matte, like their soft focus ones where it's like kind of powdery. This one is not that, but this is still very cute and very wearable and very moisturizing, and I love it. Okay, so my hair is not really cooperating with me, but it's whatever. So yeah, so far my thoughts, I do like initially the Lippie Stix. Again, it's not a matte formula and it's not like a soft matte where it's like that powdery finish. This one is more of a satin finish where it's not quite a gloss but not quite matte. I really like it. It's really nice. It's not as dark as I thought it was going to be, but it is still very cute and very wearable, and I love it. The eyes, I'm in love with the eyes. They look so good. Definitely my one advice from just doing this one makeup look is the shade Fierce here has a lot of fallout on my face. Like, I can try to zoom you in. I don't know if you can see it, but I have like foundation now and a concealer, but I had a bunch of fallout just kind of all right here and along here. Cautious when you're going in with your brush. Maybe dip in once and then apply and just build up from there instead of getting a lot on your brush because it's going to fall out. Or you can just put some powder underneath your eyes and then just wipe off all that fallout after. I do like the tones of these shadows. I really like that it complements dark skin girls out here because this is a very nice palette. I feel like this is one of the only palettes that I feel like is more targeted towards our skin tones that Colourpop has released. So yeah, I really do like it, and I can't wait to explore this palette more, and I can't wait to get into the Super Shock shadows. And since I didn't use these ones in the video, I do want to swatch them to see how they come out. Oh, they're so creamy. Ooh. I should have used these. Oh my gosh. Okay, first off the bat, these are super creamy. I love them. The Super Shock shadows have always been really creamy, but I don't know. That one just seemed really creamy. Woo! In the collection of the Super Shock shadows, there are 2 ultra glitters and 1 ultra metallic glitter. This is the ultra glitter and this is the ultra metallic. And they're very pretty. I feel like the camera's not doing it any justice right now, and the lighting's not doing it any justice. Well guys, thank you for joining me. Hopefully that jumble of a video made sense and that I didn't ramble a little too much for you guys. But I hope to see you in the next video. Make sure you hit that notification bell, subscribe, and also check me out on Instagram because I'm always creating content over there as well. So I will see you in the next one. Goodbye.